After you've performed every step in your process brilliantly and you've done the act of delivery, the transaction should end by you walking your guest all the way to their car, opening the door for them, and thanking them for their business. It should not end at your desk. It should not end in the service drive. It should not end in the lounge. It should end at their car with you opening the door for them and thanking them for their business. There are some gestures of chivalry that are never going to get old. They're never going to be antiquated. Opening a door for somebody and thanking them for their business are definitely the lasting impression that you want to have on your guest.